Hello friends, welcome to your channel CAD-CAM Minute, and today we will create this simple model in NXCAD. So this is an isometric view and most of the dimension are shown here. So we will start this model from the front view. Uh, this is the front view. So we will start from this face, and after creating this sketch we will extrude it to 64 millimeter, and after that this slot and this cut we will create. So let's start with the sketcher. So first of all, select this sketch, and because we are creating this front view, so we will select this YZ plane and define the axis. I will keep my origin to this point and I will start from this point. So draw a line approximate 100 millimeter and draw whatever you see here. Okay, now I will dimension it. This length is 100 and this is 44 and 38, and this upper line is 38 and this is 6, no, this is 19, so change it to 19. So sketch is fully constant, you can see here the sketch is fully constant. Now finish this sketch and I will select this basic command extrude, and because some geometry are created at the middle of this part, so we will extrude it with symmetric value, and the total is 64. So half of 64 is 32, so it will automatically extrude 32 millimeter on the both side. Okay, my first step is completed. Now I will go on this top view and I will create this shape with this option from center. So I will create a rectangle and dimension is 38, so change it to 38. Now I will select this fillet command, and here we have this option delete third curve. Select this curve and draw. It will automatically create the full round, and the radius is 18 is the diameter and the 9 will be radius. And change this line to horizontal, and this center and this line both will constant, and distance between this and this point is 13, close, and okay, only this, no need of this, just select this curve, make them equal. Okay, some dimension are still remain, means it is not properly, means this dimension is not working here, so delete this and I will specify this center to center distance. 38 minus 18 is 20. Okay, and this point is, we don't require this point, so delete this one and this one also. Okay, my sketch is fully considered now, and we have to draw a sketch for this. Okay, so start from the profile, from the center After this, click, click, and click. And this is 38. This is approximately correct. And here this is 24. So 12 is the half value. And select both line, and we will make it equal length by equal length. Both line will equal, make it constant. So both the sketch are correct. Now exit from the sketcher. Now choose this extrude command. By selecting this connected curve, it will only select a single connected curve, not whole the sketch. So reverse the direction and select it through all. It will automatically subtract, and here reverse the direction, and the depth is 13, and click OK. Hide all the sketches. Only one slot is remaining, so we will start from this side face. Go to this side face and draw a rectangle by using 2 point. And 50 is the length, and 6, I think 6, okay, yeah, this is 6 is a width. Now apply some constraint like constant. The both point will constant. It will automatically adjust and it will automatically come at the mid. Now finish the sketch and extrude it in the reverse direction, and the boolean will be the subtract and through all. Okay. Two holes are there, so I will choose this. The hold command and click. The point is not properly. You can see here, this point is not properly, so we can do one more thing. Cancel it and sketch. Select the circle and diameter is m6 and deep 20. So I will create this point only, or just delete this, only specify only one, and this is 13. Just position this 12 plus 10 is 22. So point is at the right place. Now I will choose this hole command, and here this drill hole, or we can choose this screw clearance hole. M6 hole is the size of this screw is M6, and point is this, and depth is 20. So change the value to 20 and OK. Double click over this. I think chamfer is there. Okay, if you don't need chamfer, you can disable this start chamfer, and see chamfer will not come at the start. If you read this, click and it will enable this. Now mirror this hole, mirror feature, and middle plane is this, and OK. So our model is complete. This point is here. If you want to hide this point, go and hide this sketch.